Bam! Okay, welcome to the next episode of this YouTube series called Stupid Staffs.
Stupid Staffs.
We get something that's stupid and staff shaped and
Almost.
then try to contact staff with it with varying levels of success.
Indeed.
This is Alex Hatt.
And this is MCP.
Bam!
Shabam.
Nailed it.
Indeed.
And today we have this piece of steel wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Full disclosure, this is aluminium, so it's light.
yes. Compared to our last endeavour.
And compared to a normal steel wheel, it's pretty light as well. Actually,
Yeah.
they're normally, I think, more steel or much heavier gauge aluminium. What are you saying? I've got an accent. I've got to stop mumbling as well. We're gonna start. I'm gonna start with pigtails. Why not? I'm sure it's gonna be hilarious. Ooh, look. Heavy string.
It's like a swivel thing.
Yeah, it's like a little bit like the crutch, but more so.
Yeah.
Ooh. Nailed it. Yeah, you're thinking about it now. How are you?
Yeah, as soon as it goes off centre, it's like, slidey.
Yeah. That's that simple. Yeah. As soon as those ends are going, they're like all over the place. It's like danger time.
Fully risk it.
I'm getting the feeling it's going to be a bad idea. Oh yeah, it could be okay. It could be okay.
I guess you could start on the...
Ooh.
Yeah,
Maybe not okay.
maybe you can start on the...
Start there.
yeah.
Yeah, but one of them has to go around the smiley side. Whee!
Sad side.
Sad side. Smiley side. Wait, let me try one more time. Ah, damn it. Well, it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be, unfortunately. It's got that tendency to have,
The way it just wants to like come down to that
yeah,
direction, doesn't it? It
occasionally.
wants to be sad.
Who knew? Steel wheels want to be sad. You want to try something? Foot fishtails might be okay. I mean, maybe. You can start them like on the ground practically. And again.
It's more just
Like back and forth. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this might be a really bad idea. Maybe I try it like that. Smiley side.
Oh, that's not too bad actually.
What did that?
Because both ways it's like facing downwards.
It doesn't feel nice.
Yeah, it might be quite good for pivots. I'm stepping.
I'll let you try that, little guys. Maybe from the outside I can tell if it's actually going to be any good or not.
This is so weird.
Oh yeah. You okay? It seems like a little
No, that's okay.
tap. Okay. No, that was cool though. That was working.
Yeah.
Couldn't have told you what it was. I feel like this little guy.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
I'm in a bubble of seal wheels.
I guess there's not much rotation or anything, so I think
Yeah, it's just
Steve's,
kind of-
Steve's are no go.
Well, you could slide it, but
Yeah, true.
certainly I don't think angel wheel is going to happen.
Those ends are lethal.
Are you ready? You're going to catch it?
Yeah.
I think, yeah, maybe they're okay. Okay, wait, I'll try again. 100% the wrong way right. Okay, ready?
Ta-da!
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, shit, yeah. Right at my face. Good polo, so it's kind of okay for you. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, what was I thinking about?
spinning. Spinning balance.
It's just hard to tell where the centre of balance is. Good night.
There. From here. Maybe.
Oh. And then slight pop to the other side? Is that what you're
Let's
doing?
try it, but I'm not sure if it's.
You gotta keep the smile though. It really wants to frown in the middle. I'm gonna frown now.
No.
Yeah, it is, I think it's the frowning kind of slows it down almost. Do you know what I mean?
Frowning slows everyone down.
That's a life motto right there, guys. We're actually like a life-affirming, positive. What were those books called? Oh, self-help channel. That's what we are.
Self-help channel indeed.
Yeah, yeah.
So tune in.
A positive motivation channel. Frowns slow everything down. Where was that? Head spin. I'm going to do head spin and I'm going to try that bouncing again because it's fun. Yep, yo. Almost, yeah. 100% wear less hair gel is the takeout on this. Come on. Yeah, I think it's going a little off centre.
But yeah, you got it.
I feel like this is an off centre frown now though.
That's centre frown.
Wait, so you tried it to the outside, right?
Yeah.
That pop.
Yeah.
But there should also be, shouldn't there also be like a inside?
I guess so.
Yeah, try it. You're going to be the slide pop guy now. Steph is the fishtail guy. You're going to be slide pop guy. Oh! Yeah.
It's weird though.
Yeah. Definitely not your normal stuff, that's for sure.
That is true.
Ooh. There is some in there though, I'm sure. I feel like it had less of an arch. It would be
Yeah.
more durable.
It's quite nice just sliding like that.
I feel like this. I feel like there's a whole, like not like almost like body tracing kind of aspect to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. We can make some kind of Tai Chi thing out of it.
That's quite nice having that transfer.
I think we just invented it. I think you've just invented a whole new pool art. Wow, let's do a sliding steam. Boring.
There we go. Yeah. As soon as it goes off centre, it's like.
Hey, it's almost like it needs a grip.
Whoa! How would it slide with a grip?
Oh, that's what I was going to say. Oh, well, it was one of the things I was going to say. Like, this is the ultimate example of when you bent your staff and it doesn't roll straight anymore. Doesn't win it.
Courier.
Pardon?
The courier. The shoulder sort
Oh,
of.
what did you call it?
I think it's. That's. I don't know.
It's like, that is a different name than I expected. Yeah, a Lucero.
Sarah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I just like read things wrong. Just like you.
That was a loud sound. Oh yeah, okay, got it. Figured it out. Remembered. 10 out of 10, remembered what I'm doing.
Slightly cheaper.
Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, right. This is a bad idea, but let's try it. So can you roll it to me, and then I'm going to try and get into it and cheat with it. So like in front of it. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
How like.
Let's just try it a little bit, like a normal amount.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this could work. Ready? I'm send it back.
Okay. And see.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, ready.
Oh no, more. More again.
Oh, sorry, that was not enough. So, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Close. Okay, next plan. It's a bad idea. I'm going to do an X-fin afterwards. Hopefully it's going to come in like that, and then fuck off and not kill me, hopefully. You can get a bit close for this. I'm sure this will be funny. It's not going that way, I don't think, camera person.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, that is not a good idea, but okay, let's try again.
That's guillotine.
It's just because it comes up real fast and then all the momentum slows. And the real fast bit, I'm really staring at it, and then suddenly it slows down. I'm like, I could have gone under that. That's fine.
So maybe if you step a bit more further that way, so when it comes back down, remember to like give it.
I'm going to try it into hands, and then I'll try it into the head.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, this will be okay. Ready?
Yep.
Not my best.
And again.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. It's not my head. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Come on, and go. Spin. Oh, that was a lot of adrenaline. What other tricks should we try? Tip tails?
Tiptoes.
Oh god, why did I even suggest that? Camera person, you're supposed to suggest it. You know it.
I mean, I think like tails and
Yeah, that's not happening, is it?
that's it.
Horrible. Oh
Um,
god.
palm spin.
I did a pump from yeah, you go ahead.
You did?
Yeah.
Feels quite nice.
Well, I got an idea. This is a bad idea. All of my
All
ideas
the
are bad
bad
ideas.
ideas.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
It looks like it comes so close to your head.
Oh, run away!
Comes so close to your head.
Oh, anything else? I don't think I've got anything else. I'll probably remember something after we finish recording, like a boss. Oh, I think it's time.
It's time.
Kill yourself with the matrix.
Ooh.
You touched it last. You touched it last, guys. You have to do it.
Okay, let's have a go.
Gently, bro. Gently. That was pretty good, though. Yeah. Gonna come right back at me.
Try that again.
Back off again.
Nice.
Yeah, it's your leg. Yeah. Careful. Yeah. That's definitely help. Well done.
A little bit of a help, but
Yeah. Having seen the dance of death, I'm not going to try it.
get it.
Yeah. Okay. So properties of this staff. What are we saying here?
Properties of the stuff. It's very light.
Yeah, it's true. It's actually okay for lightness.
Yeah,
Needs more grip, obviously.
indeed.
There are a few things that makes this curviness good.
Interesting.
Like-
Like all the pivotty sort of
Yeah.
stepping stuff is quite nice.
Just when you're in the balance circle is real nice, I think. What did you
Yeah.
say, camera person? Yes? This balance circle, yes. Good. I'm glad you agreed.
Like the sliding properties of it is actually quite nice sometimes.
Yeah, it could be good for passing as well.
Hmm.
Yeah. There's a lot of other staffs that slide that aren't so like dangerous. You need padding.
Yeah. These ends are like lethal.
Yeah.
Like especially for like the when it comes up the smiley side.
Smiley side is dead. You're just like looking down the barrel of like scraping a half circle at your face. I think if it was a little shorter, actually, I'm not sure what the actual length is of this section. If it was a little shorter, I think the smiley side wouldn't be so dangerous.
Yeah. Maybe slightly
might be-
less of a bend,
Yeah.
but that wouldn't be a zero. Yeah.
But it could be like a 5-piece seal wheel. We need a 4-piece seal wheel, just to like a quarter of a circle.
Sure.
This is like a third, I think. It's a lot. What are we going to give this? I actually think there's quite some interesting stuff, especially the passing stuff.
Yeah.
But that is kind of getting towards seal wheel, but like, it's still a stick. I saying it's still a stick. We're saying it's still a stick. It's pretty stupid.
Wonky stick.
Yeah, wonky stick. Super wonk. Frowny smiled stick.
Frowny smart stick.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. So interesting properties.
Yeah.
So point for that for sure.
I might give
not
this.
not a rolling thing.
What did we give
So
the other
minus
thing
for
that was
that.
bad?
What the
No, the foam roller.
foam
What was,
roller
what
we
was after
gave?
the crutch? What did we give
Yeah.
the crutch?
I think we gave them both like under 5.
I think this is better than the crutch and the foam roller.
So we give it like a 5,
I think a 5.5.
5.5. I agree.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not much of a rolly thing, but it's interesting.
Yeah, it's certainly not a dragon staff.
No.
For that, I'm sure. Oh, we didn't try a cheat
Ooh.
there. What? You think you can turn a smile into a frown? Sorry, a frown into a smile. Yeah. Yeah. Yay! That looks quite relaxing actually.
Like what?
Oh, we try. I've never done this. I don't know what's going on. Oh. Oh, that's weird. And smile, and frown, and smile, and frown, and smile, and frown. Wait, can I do it? Wonk. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. And hopefully next week we've got another weird staff to spin. It's going to be 2018.
2018.
Yeah, shabam. It might even be 2018 when this comes. If you have any suggestions for videos,
For interesting objects.
put them in the comments down below. That's the down below. It's not. You don't have to look down, camera person. I just when it's on the video and I point down. No, up, up, up. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you next week. And this has
Thank you
been
very
Alex Hat.
This has been MCP. Da da da.
And together we are team.
Third of Silver.
I was going for team. A frown makes everything harder. Best team name ever. Team self-help staff advice. Yes. Okay. Cool.
There we go.